Good morning, guys. Today is a great day. Today is an amazing day. Today is Tuesday, January the 26th. Now, don't quote me. I just want to say, now this might be something that people don't really like to talk about, but it was on my mind this morning because I thought about my grandmother and how she lived and how people remembered her. So, how do you want people to remember you when you leave here? Do you want them to remember you by your titles, your job title, the car that you drove, the house that you lived in, all the money that you had? Because none of those things you can take with you. But one thing that you can take with you when people come, those kind words and how they really are going to remember you and how they remember you. The legacy lives on of how you treated them, how you lived your life, how you loved, how you gave of your time, how you inspired others. Those other things mean anything. Guys, time is winding down and it's time to think about when you leave here, how will people remember you? This is how I want to be remembered. Do you guys see this beautiful plant behind me? It is thriving on goodness and love and kindness. I talk to this plant every day. I take very good care of this plant every day. I show this plant that I love it. So therefore, this is what it gives me. So guys, what are you doing with your life and how are people going to remember you? I'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys. You were so good for me. You were so good for me. You are so good to me. You are so good for me. Hey y'all, how's y'all day going so far? Mine is okay. I'm glad you asked. So, what am I currently doing right now? Putting up groceries. It's a little bit after 3 o'clock, so I just got home. I stopped at the grocery store and I did pick up a few things. So, I'm trying to do something different, guys. Incorporating more like greens. I eat a lot of greens, but just more greens. But anyway, I'm gonna show y'all what I got. I got some glory collard greens. I got some. Y'all, are y'all close enough? Hold on, let me see, because I don't know if y'all close enough or not. But I got some these greens here. Ooh, this is too bright. I got these. I picked up these mushrooms, and I got me 2 limes instead of lemons, and I got, what is that? Okay, that's my receipt. And I got a thing of garlic. So yeah, that's all I'm doing right now. I am going to find me, I picked up these 2, y'all. Guys, that's a shame we gotta pay for water, but these waters here, I'm just gonna let y'all see it. These are really, really good. For anybody who likes like really good water, this is good. So these were 3 something. So sometimes when they don't sell, I'll get them. So I bought 2 of them. So I'm gonna put those over here and keep them there. And then I'm gonna get ready to prep I do want some greens. So I'm gonna do that. Hopefully you guys are having a great day today. Y'all must have been feeling yourself yesterday, huh? Somebody was feeling themselves yesterday in them comments, talking about something about, I was cracking up about something about somebody's waistline, or y'all not gonna get only with 10-minute video. I keep telling y'all don't watch the videos. What y'all want me to do? I'm giving y'all the best that I got. Okay, just like the song. Giving you the best that I got. So guys, I'm gonna put some grapeseed oil in here, and then like later on after they cook some, then I'll add my seasonings to them. So yeah, all in all, y'all, today is a good day. Today is a beautiful day, a marvelous day. I hope you all are having a very, very great day. Very great day. And I think I'm going to try something new too. I think I'm going to try, I don't know, with the mushrooms. I think I may saute some and then put them on top of the greens or something. I think I might do that. These are called New Moon mushrooms, y'all. Sliced white mushrooms. Yeah, they look, I never seen New Moon mushrooms. Yes, I have. Not at this grocery store, but I've seen them in another fancier grocery store. So I think these New Moon, the brand New Moon ones are like really good. So, yeah, guys. And also too, I hung those pictures in here, y'all. I love it. I love it. I love it. I'm going to turn the camera on in a minute and show y'all. I just want to get these greens going because I might leave back out a little later and do something. Y'all like greens? I love me some collards. I ain't gonna use the whole bag. I'm gonna freeze what I don't use. Freeze what I don't use. Do y'all freeze y'all greens? I think that's enough. That's like half of the bag, so yeah. I'll freeze these. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. I'm gonna take one of these limes and I'm gonna squeeze some lime juice on top of the greens when they're done, and then I'm gonna top them with the mushrooms. Yeah, I might throw in a clip or not a clip, but I might throw in a picture how they turn out. If not, you go on Instagram and go check it out. So this needs a top. So yeah, guys, y'all was feeling yourselves in those comments yesterday. Smarty pants. Y'all was being real smart in them comments. I like that though. I like that in you. Y'all, she got on the same thing from yesterday, as far as like my clothes, but I am warm. I'm warm. I like to be warm, y'all. I like to be warm in the house. The heat be going, but I still be cold. But let me show y'all real quick. Let me show y'all. Can y'all see behind me? Let me do it like this. Can y'all see? Look behind me. Wait a minute. Y'all all washed out. Look at that. Ooh, wee. Look how pretty, y'all. Look how pretty they look. Let me see if I turn on the other light. Let's see. We so washed out here. Let me see. So y'all can see. Y'all see that? Oh my gosh, y'all should see it and like, why, if you were here. Ain't that pretty? Ain't that pretty? Let me go another way and see. If I turn it around, will it act right? And then I'll show y'all what's in the back. See how this camera do? There you go. I don't know why I'd be doing that. Hold on, y'all. Let me see if I can do it this way. So, now do y'all see it from here? What y'all think? I think it made a big difference. Y'all, so if you guys remember when we went to the at-home store, do y'all remember the table that I seen there for $1.99? Let me know in the comments. We gotta do better than this. Let me know in the comments what do y'all think about that table, because now if my friend goes back and pick up her table, that long one that we seen, if she picks that up, then I am going to probably buy the other table, which is $200, y'all. I mean, but it's really good wood. Her hair is done, y'all. I just had my thing on while I'm in the house. How many of y'all wear y'all scarves in the house? It's good for you anyway to keep your hair tied up. But yeah, if it's there and I have the funds, I don't know, y'all, I might be tempted because I'm ready to get those chairs. I'm ready to get those chairs slid under there. I think it's gonna be so super cute. But let me take y'all back here and show y'all the what I did with those two pictures, because I don't know if I explained it right, what I was trying to say yesterday about I wasn't even in the camera. Yeah, this light. But anyway, that's what I did right there. I did throw in a picture, but yeah. I think it looks really, really nice. I think it insinuates the greenery and the fact that this has green in it. I like that. So do y'all like it? Do y'all like it? I like it. That's all that matters, right? Why is this camera playing games with me today? Y'all, I don't know what's going on. I don't know But I ain't got nothing to really talk about, y'all. So I don't know what we gonna do. we gonna do. That's it. I just wanted to say I seen them comments that y'all left me. Is that Stevie Ann? You left me that comment, or somebody else? I can't remember, but that was funny. You really made me laugh. But yeah. But eating healthy make you get a waistline. I mean, if you eat right, you're gonna get a nice waistline. And I don't think my waistline is all like that either. I mean, I'm just being honest. I don't think so. I do eat. Y'all, I eat. She eats. She eats a lot. But she eats a lot of fruits, vegetables, and the good stuff. So, yeah. But, yeah. Hope I didn't hurt nobody's feelings or anything. Yeah, so guys, I think I'm going to end this video. I'm going to go and look through these sales papers that I have here and see what's going on at Aldi. What do they got going on? Well, they got oranges for $2.89. Now I might have to go get some of them. And they have the Washington apples for $2.49. I've been looking for apples. Haven't been able to find anything. And their mushrooms are 79 cents. But that's okay, because I think I paid for those mushrooms $1.50 and they're already sliced. That's the only thing about them being in a package like that, they're already sliced. But I do prefer buying my mushrooms basically out of bulk, but I haven't been to no store like that, so gotta do what you gotta do. So guys, I am gonna end this video. Oh my God, and the avocado, y'all, avocados are 49 cents at Aldi's. See, now I'm gonna have to go to Aldi's tomorrow. That's okay. I'll see you guys in another video really soon. Thanks for checking in, and thanks for liking my plaques up there. Let me let y'all look at it again. They're so pretty. Look at that. That's so pretty. So pretty. Look at that, y'all. Oh my God. Y'all, I really be excited like that for real. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Love you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember, love yourself so that you will love others, so this world will be a much better place. Bye, y'all. Bye.